Here we have a 2003 Ford F250. This is an XLT Super Duty. Got a Curtis Snow Pro 3000 plow, all fully working. Nice tires, chrome wheels, clean truck. It's got a few scratches here and there, but overall, really is nice. Good looking truck. Black tube steps with the bright chrome wheels, nice deep tires, headliner, towing package, wiring, hitch, tailgate's in nice shape. On the inside we got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, leather seats, cruise control, on the fly 4x4, CD player, tape player, air conditioning. You've got your plow control set up right here. It's not been mounted, so you can put it where you would like. There are no ugly holes in the dash at all. Here's your back seat. It does fold up. Truck has 106,000 miles. Overall, in very nice shape. You can see pictures and pricing information on our website, which is hometownwausau.com. That's hometownwausau.com. Thanks for watching.